Hello guys, welcome to Index Trader channel. Today we are going to discuss about DMart stock talk. Irrespective of the results, what the chart and the analysis tells, we are going to analyze in detail. Today the results will be coming out, but before that we will analyze the chart and the other various trading setups. We will analyze one by one and conclude whether it is a buy or sell, especially for investment purposes. Okay, let's move on to the analysis right now. First, we'll look into the EMA setup, that is the exponential moving average setup. Here we can see that this stock follows 15 EMA, that is 15 period EMA and 90 period EMA. You can see the 90 period acting as a support and the 15 is temporary acting as a support. Breaking that, it comes to 90 period EMA. So that can be seen even in, we can backtest this also. So in all those cases, the 90 period acting as a strong support and 15 period acting as a temporary support of the stock. When it is an uptrend, this will act as a temporary uptrend support here. So that is what visible in this setup. So right now EMA 15, the price is trading above the EMA 15, so that is showing a bullish trend of this stock, and also it is above the 100 EMA. So overall this stock is bullish right now, and it forms almost a double top kind of a pattern. So we can see the pattern is similar to, this is one top and here another top. So almost this is a kind of a double top pattern can be seen. So whether it will continue this pattern, whether it will move up or not, we will conclude in the other setups, but as this setup confirms that it is in an uptrend. So let us go through the indicators also, what the indicator says. Here we can see the RSI indicator here. The RSI is somewhat momentum is very less here compared to the momentum in the previous up move. So here you can see the up move, the RSI has been into overbought zone, but here it is not like that. It is halfway of the RSI. It is somewhat around 57.93. so the strength and the momentum is not picking up to push the stock upwards. So that is what visible in this indicator. The strength is not there, even the volume is also very low compared to the previous one. So that is why the strength cannot be seen here. And also the vortex indicator also, there is not enough strength to push the stock up. Here also the vortex is showing, even though it is up, it is not showing a continuous strength here. Also look at the weekly chart of it. Since we always look at the day chart, but this stock is more of an investment point of view purpose. People invest in this stock. So we'll look at the week chart here. See in the week chart we can see that the vortex is making a crossover here, confirms a bearish signal here. The strength is not there, that is what visible here. So both the time frames are confirming there is a less momentum in the uptrend. That is what's seen in the charts. Now we look into the other setup. I have plotted the Fibonacci setup. Here we can see that the stock almost forming a double top. So the up move can resume only if this area gets broken. That is the 2545 level has to be broken to continue the up move. Then only we can see a breakout. And we can also see that there was a continuous consolidation in those 50% and 38.2% zones. Above 50% there was been a consolidation and then it gave a up move. But whether it will continue or not, we will backtest it. So normally, usually this DMart stock follows a typical kind of a pattern. It always forms a double top and then it falls back to 78.6 level and then consolidate and then it goes up. So we can also backtest it. See I have taken it in the other time frame. Here also there is a double top and there was a fall here, and we can see that from here this stock goes to the 78.6 level and then it gives a breakout. After breaking the 1679 level, it gives a breakout. It gave a breakout. And before that also we can see that in this timeline also we can see there is a here we can see single top, second top, and falls back to this level, that is 78.6 level, and then it moved up. So overall from the back test also we can conclude that this stock forms a double top kind of a pattern and then falls back to the 78.6 level, and then from that it gives a breakout from the previous two Fibonacci setups, and now current now also it is looking like that. The pattern is somewhat similar to it, so definitely this will come down to 78.6 also. You should note down a gap here. You can see that there is a gap here. Usually this DMart stock always fills the gap whenever it makes. Here also a gap and it gets filled here. And before that I will show you one more gap here. See here there was a gap in 2019 January month. It gets filled after a while. See here the gap gets filled and then it falls back, and after that, after a long consolidation, it gave a breakout. So definitely this can be this can come to this level. That's what visible here from the price action. Here is the weekly chart. This stock follows a channel. I will show you the channel here. See this stock is following a trend line. It is acting as a strong resistance there, and at the bottom line we can see a strong resistance at the support at the, but that it was not there, but recently from 2019 we can see that this is acting as a strong support line. Even it got support from the by last month also we can see this stock has given a this stock was supported by this trend. I will show you one box here. Yeah, see this box is acting as a, even though there are green candles, these box is acting as a strong resistance zone. I try to go above that, but here we can say that only one candle was a green candle above this weekly chart, but after that there is no candle formation in that. Here also there was, it tried to form, but there was a strong rejection here and a big wick came up in the last week. So this is acting as a strong resistance. This zone is acting as a strong resistance, and also one more level is also acting as a strong resistance. I will show that level also. See here this 2485 level. So this is acting as a strong resistance level for all this. It get tested 1, 2 and 3. Above that only we can say it is in an up move. Yeah, this level also acting as a strong support right now. So we will look into the day chart here. So whenever this line gets broken, that is the price goes above this line, so it is acting as a support here. Earlier also it acted as a support point, and here also after breaking this strong resistance, that is 2485 level, and here 2375 level, so it is trading in a range right now. So that is visible from the chart. DMart chart live zone can be divided into 3 zones. That is the first zone from the day of the start in 2017 to up to 1062 level. After that it acts as a support, and then it traded in the range in between 1062 to 1285, and after that 1285 to 1700, it was a range, and after that, after breaking that 1700, it never falls back below 1700. So we can, even if it falls here, it can come up to 1700 or to this trend line depending upon the selling pressure. So that is what visible. Even if it goes up, there is a chance of probability of 6 to 7% up movement. But if it falls back, falls down, so definitely we can see filling of this gap and all. So even the filling of the gap somewhat around here, so that is around 20%. So 20% is what the fall seems to be. So overall we can say the risk to reward ratio is very high. The risk is very high and the reward is very low in terms of up move. So it's better, we need to wait for this level either to gap fill up and for the 78.6% level of Fibonacci that can be seen. So we will once again confirm this thing with the volume also, because volume is the key factor for the up move and the other things. I will confirm with the volume also. This stock moved into the category of trade only, trade to trade segment. So here only delivery is what allowed. Here we can see that it is in series BE. So only delivery is allowed, whereas in terms of other stocks like Reliance and all, we can say that it is under series equity, EQ. So where delivery and trading both happens, but in DMart it is only BE category. So here no trading is allowed, you need to take 100% delivery. So that is the reason after 4th of March we can see that there is no deliverable quantity and the percentage delivery, because all whatever the quantity traded quantity is 100% delivered, and there is no much volume also. Even the turnover is also very less. We can see in this volume, see here the volume, we can see that is what visible, and there is no much volume here to push up the price to be stable and move above this 2545 levels. That is what visible in this analysis. So overall final conclusion we can say about that, even though the EMA setup is giving a bullish trend, other indicators and the volume and the and also the divergence, we can also look at the divergence. Price to price, this is going this is somewhat higher, or even straight. If it is straight, it is coming like this. If it is going up, so it is like it is moving up, and here it is going down. See, it is from this point to this point, it is going down. So it is a hidden bearish divergence. That means the downtrend will resume. Yeah, this price action was also confirming that there is a risk reward ratio is not favoring the for investment and other. That's all for the DMart stock talk. Hope you like this video. Hit like button and subscribe to our channel for the further videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.